Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. In today, I'm gonna show you how you can get free unlimited coins on WebNovel app without paying anything. Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android, then type iUp.vip.
Set my heart afire. Still don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. Heart waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Congratulations! Now you get unlimited coins on your WebNovel account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun, guy! Good luck and I see you in the next video. Bye!